Dropshipping is taking the e-commerce world by storm, and currently it's one of the most famous trends. Many are using this method, and some of them are making thousands of dollars every month or even every week. And guess what? Today you can join them. Dropshipping might be your biggest chance to start earning money online. And the best thing about it is that you can start this business with less than $100. I am Rihab, a web marketer, a web designer, and a business consultant. And in this course, I'm going to help you to start your own dropshipping business using Shopify and build a highly converting store with the cheapest way possible and with less than 2 hours. The process works as follows. You find a low-cost product that's being sold by an online supplier. For example, you find this product on Aliexpress for $5. You post this product on your store and you give it a higher price of $15, for example. Then you drive traffic to your store by advertising using social media ads. When a customer buys this product, you send the order to the supplier who will then directly ship it to your customer. Let's do a quick math. If we assume that you have paid $5 for social media ads, then you are left with $5 in your pocket. Now imagine that you have sold 30 products per day. This means $150 profit per day. Isn't that great? Many people struggle daily to build their dropshipping business. And lots of them lose hope and give up before succeeding. And their main problem is they don't build a very well optimized store that converts. Building a store with Shopify is easy, but this is not your only goal. Your goal is to build a store that converts and brings you money. And with that in mind, I have prepared this course for you. Through this course, I will further explain the dropshipping concept. And step by step, I will show you the core elements that I use to increase the conversion rate and how to add them to your store. Together, we will see how to create urgency on your store and on your checkout page by adding countdowners, number of items left, social proof pop-ups, and many other elements. In addition, I will show you how to retarget some of your leaving customers or your previous customers via an email marketing system. And not only that, I will also give you the 3 secret ingredients to pick winner products from AliExpress. And I will show you how to add them to your store in a few clicks and how to make them stand out. By the end of this course and starting off tonight, you will be able to build a highly persuasive store that will help you move your business to the next level. Dropshipping is a great business idea, but like any other business, it has its good and its bad. Telling you that all is easy and quite simple wouldn't be truthful, because it's not. Dropshipping needs hard work and dedication. But let's be realistic though. Earning money requires hard work and dedication. Catch on this opportunity today and start your own very well optimized, highly converting store with me and make your dream become a reality. This course has a 30 days money back guarantee. So if for any reason you feel that this course doesn't suit you, please ask for a refund. Act quickly and let's start building your first amazing store now. See you in a few minutes.